Welcome to our investment-focused channel. Today's episode answers an exciting question. Why should I invest in Korea? Whether you're an experienced investor or new to the scene, this episode is for you. Let's explore the Korean market together. South Korea, a powerhouse in both technology and culture, offers unique investment opportunities. But what exactly makes it such an attractive market for investors? Today, we're uncovering the compelling reasons to consider investing in Korea. Korea's economy is a standout, with its growth rate surpassing many Western countries. A major beneficiary of lower oil prices, it has an efficient economic model with government spending at only 33% of GDP. These factors contribute to making South Korea an attractive market for investors. Let's focus on Korea's representative industries, starting with semiconductors. Korea is at the forefront of this sector globally, with giants like Samsung Electronics and SK Hynix leading the way in technology. Moving on to K-culture, from K-pop to Korean dramas, these cultural exports have a massive global following, thanks to platforms like Netflix and Disney. Finally, the automobile industry, with brands like Hyundai and Kia Motors, known for their quality and innovation, are significant players in the global market. These sectors are prime examples of Korea's strong market potential. Given the market's high volatility and the limitations of index returns, we recommend looking beyond ETFs and public companies for investment in Korea. To truly capitalize on the Korean market, individual investors require in-depth insights and strategic approaches. This is where specialized knowledge and tailored strategies become crucial. The Korean wave, or Hallyu, has significantly impacted global markets. Korean brands, especially in entertainment and technology, have garnered immense popularity worldwide. This global appeal of Korean products and culture provides unique opportunities for investors looking to diversify their portfolios with international exposure. While there are risks, like geopolitical tensions and export dependence, the Korean market remains resilient. Identifying promising sectors and companies with robust fundamentals can help investors effectively navigate these risks. Korea's rapid growth, coupled with its stability as a G20 and OECD member, adds to its attractiveness as an investment destination. Investing in Korea means tapping into an evolving economy rich in innovation and growth. If you're seeking to explore this vibrant market more deeply, Peter Club is your ideal partner. We offer expert insights and strategies tailored to the Korean market. To learn more about smart investing in Korea, visit Peter Club. We provide the tools and knowledge to confidently navigate the Korean stock market. Join our community and start your investment journey with us today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insightful investment tips. See you in our next video.